What's up, guys? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new, you're welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of facial hair. Now, this remedy is going to work really fine for you. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, thumbs up this video, and please share. Now, let's dive into the video. So to get rid of facial hair, you're going to be using one fresh big tomato, okay? Alright, tomato contains a property that helps to smooth the skin. It helps to lighten up the skin also, and it therefore leave the skin smooth, glowing, and polished. And it's also a remedy that helps to remove all unwanted hair, and it therefore delays the growth of a new one. This mask, I'm going to be blending my tomato. Okay, so I'm actually going to be cutting the tomato into pieces, or you can actually just create it, but for me, for now, I'm going to be blending it. So I'm going to be slicing it so it can blend very well in my blender. So I'm going to be transferring that into blender. I'll go blend it and I'll be right back. And now I'm going to be scooping in about 3 tablespoons of the tomato paste. Then we're going to be making use of turmeric powder. Okay, this stuff can stain a whole lot, and that's why I had to open it elsewhere. Okay, turmeric powder is one nice and beneficial ingredient for the skin. It's great for pimples, dark spot, wrinkles, pigmentations, and it's also great in removing facial hair, pubic hair, and all unwanted hair. Okay, and taking half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Okay, this is actually very important in this mix. So we're also going to be making use of rice powder, because rice powder contains numerous benefits for the skin, and it therefore leaves the skin youthful and radiant, and it will also make you look flawless and in removing all unwanted hair with the help of tomato. Half tablespoon will be better. We're going to be making use of starch. Okay, you can use cornstarch or any starch, just cornstarch is better. So this is actually cornstarch. Now this also helps to boost the skin elasticity, and it leaves the skin flawless, and it contains an amount of a lightening property that helps to lighten up the skin. With the help of all turmeric and tomato, it's going to therefore help to remove all unwanted hair. And then the starch, half teaspoon, would be good too. So now we're gonna do the stirring. Okay, so the consistency has to be friendly, guys. Okay, make sure the consistency is friendly. For me, my tomato didn't blend very smooth, or you can make your tomato blend very smooth. Okay, and basically this is it. Alright, so what you do is to apply this stuff onto your face where you have hairs. Okay, I'm gonna be demonstrating this particular one using my hand. Okay,
So because on my face I actually do not even have not even one hair. I'm hairless, an hairless individual. So what you do is to apply this onto your face. It's very healthy. Of course, you see all of the ingredients in here are natural. It's not something that is just going to, you know, burn your skin or do anything. Nothing. The rice is natural starch, turmeric, and the tomato. So what you do is to apply it and then you allow it to dry. Now when it's dry up completely, then you would begin to see the hair fall off. Okay, so when you repeat this 3 times, like the first day, the second day, and the third day, all of the hair is just gonna go if you can. Okay, because I know that some people will be like, oh no, I'm lazy, I can't do this. But if you can, it is natural. We are all going back to the natural, age where our fathers came from, or our forefathers and stuff. So this is one natural remedy that will help you to remove all of the stuff. So after that's dried, then you can scrub it in a circular motion like that. Okay, so it will just remove the hair from the follicles and you're good to go, guys. Alright, so after that, then you can wash it off and you're going to see that your hair is going to be gone. Now for this one, you can store it for that 3 days and then you use it for the 3 days. Okay,